Is that the low mode? That's the high. All right, go.
I want to do the.
Oh, I got mine.
I want to do the high mode.
Okay, that's the low, high.
I want to do the high for me also.
All right, then fine. There. Hello, everybody. Doing something a little new here. Doing some nighttime gardening. We have a headband, lights. Here's Lulu. This is really cool. And I think the light is on. No, it's not for the camera. Here's the donut peach at nighttime. Obviously, it's night. Sometimes we do this. We check the floor and everything. Make sure. I'm going to go on low mode shot. Because it's too bright. We make sure there's no insects or invasive insects. Let's say like really bad ones. Like nothing's bad, but let's say like infestation of earwigs. Or like an infestation of slugs and snails. Yeah. And then, of course, we got this infestation eating all the parsley. Whoa, too bright. Oh, you're blinding me, Shant. So, still editing a long video. It's still at 34 minutes long. All right, go that way, Shant. Where it's a full tour. And it's probably be around 29 to 30 minutes long. I'm not gonna edit this at all. I'm just gonna update this tonight, and I'm gonna continue working on that long video, and I'm gonna just do random videos like this. I mean, there was no reason for this video, just doing it and see if.
How about tomorrow we make that? How about we see this flag right here?
Yes, we could see it if you didn't blind us.
How about we put a plant right there?
There's no room to put a plant baby there. There is already a plant. It's called French tarragon.
Right here?
Yes. Right there is French tarragon. No, not next to it. There'll be no room. Asparagus. Everything looks pretty good. All of California got a heat wave these past few days. Places in Los Angeles or Los Angeles itself, I think, hit 90, 92 degrees for a couple days. We hit 82, 81. Not too bad. But and then in 2 days, it's going to be 57 degrees here. And a 37 degree low. I mean, these flowers are going to really sidetracked of like, they don't understand. What, baby? Now, I don't have any plants there, baby, because if I put a plant there, we can't walk on that brick. We have to go over a plant. That's why there's no plant there. But you can put the flag there. Here's the tomato plant. Look at that. Beautiful leaves. Never went dormant. All right, put it somewhere. Let's take a look at the almonds. And I like to see what pollinators there are at night, because there are pollinators at night. Sometimes even mosquitoes pollinate. Let's see. You can see the almonds are already starting to form right there. Let me get a better light on it.
I think I saw a peanut, but it was just rock.
I can't see, son. You're blinding me again. Holy moly, that's too bright. You need to put that on low. There we go. So there's... Oh, you see? Look at the ladybug. Wonder why it's there. Let's see what else we can find. No high mode, son. It's too much. It's okay. Lulu, come here. She always wants to see her friend through the fence.
Yeah, and once the gate would, and when the gate part,
oh yeah, yeah. One time, Shant and Lulu are gardening, and we hear Shant screaming. And we thought something bad happened or something wrong happened. But Shant was saying Lulu went through the fence. Lulu was at the neighbor's fence, was smelling their whole backyard. She found one picket of the fence and ran right through it. Okay. Sapote. Anything pollinating sapote? No. Any mosquitoes? What? What are bricks supposed to do? Brick? So you can step on it, son. So that's why I put bricks everywhere, so you can step on it. And it forces me not to plant more plants. Because if I had empty space, I would... What do you want? If I had empty space, I would plant more stuff. So I put bricks sometimes to plant. Isn't that pretty? Wow. I'm going to take some pictures tonight, too. What, do you give up?
No.
All right, we're at 6 minutes in. And there's more to look this way. Let's go this way, Shant. Come on, Lulu. There's papaya. Sorry, I had to swipe up a comment. YouTube comment. No, don't walk there. There's seeds. Come this way. This way. I put fresh papaya seeds in here. The older papayas are right here, as you can see them. But they'll get big. They're going to get big really quick here. The heavenly white nectarines pushing flowers like crazy because of... Yeah, go ahead of me. It's pushing because of all the heat that came. The prune, one of the prunes, there's some flowers, but I don't care about the flower. I want growth to provide shade.
Can I cut the grass a little?
Yeah, I don't think you can with that, but let's see if there's any almond. Oh my word, already. Look at that.
Yes, I can.
Hold on, don't look at me. Too much light. There we go. Look at the apriums already. Oh man. See if we can gently pull it off. I can't. Okay. Well, anyways. Oh, jeez. I'm going to have to thin like crazy this year again. Look at all them forming. Well, I don't want to hurt them.
Today I get this.
You blinded me again.
I get this slime somewhere.
Ooh, you really blinded me that time, son. I can't see. There's the growth of the pomegranate, and there's Lulu eating again.
Yeah, eating grass. Because she likes sea grass like a
There's the one of the honeyberries doing really well. But come July, forget it. Brown, all of it. I think that one is the Borealis. And this one's called Sweet Blue or something like that. Oh, it's flowering. I got another comment. Oh, jeez. It's flowering. Take a look at that. Not that impressive of flowers, by the way. I mean, it's budding out. It's not flowering yet. It hasn't opened. Not impressive flowers. Just like a bell, a yellow bell. Really insignificant, be honest. And I don't know, because it's so insignificant and there's so many other flowers to choose from, I don't think bees going to come all the way over here to flower those unless this white nectarine starts pushing a lot of growth in its flower production, and then the bees will be more attracted to this area. Whew, my light's a little too tight. You got another flag?
I want to put a flag somewhere over here.
Passion fruit's growing like crazy. Tomorrow, I'm going to be getting a ladder. I already cleaned a whole bunch, but I'm going to get a ladder and I'm going to take out a lot more of this. But I think I mentioned that in the big tour video. And once again, like I think I was saying, but he might have interrupted me. I'm going to be doing long videos the way I used to do them, where I just what's that?
Grass.
Okay. See, you see, it just interrupted right there. So that's probably what happened last time, and I didn't finish what I was saying. I want to go back to just doing videos, pumping out long videos, very minimal editing. I mean, I'm at 9 minutes and 55 seconds right now, and I don't think I'm going to edit at all. I'm not going to put any music. Nothing. I mean, I'll put a nice thumbnail or something. Maybe. Hi. Oh, great. You're going to dig. What are you going to dig?
I'm gonna dig for some.
Yeah, but Sean, if you dig a hole, Sean, Lulu or I can break our ankle. You don't fill them back up. And I encourage a lot of you guys, fellow gardeners out there, to get out in your garden at night. You'll learn a lot about your garden at nighttime more than you will daytime. Look at this beautiful, my baby girl's peach tree. Sean, look at the peach. Look at Taleen's peach. Look at that. Brand new planting, and look at all those flowers. First year. I only planted this, I don't know, a month and a half ago.
When it grows, because I want to
What?
try.
What do you want?
I never tried the peach.
Oh, you never tried this peach. Yeah, it's a yellow peach.
Okay.
Early Alberta. This is a donut peach. Everyone, look at this. The clusters of flowers.
What do these do?
What is this?
Which is for nose.
I don't know, put it back down.
I think these make it help grow.
Well, don't put too much around it, son. You could. It's not that good to be that much around it. All right, then. I think that's good enough. You think that's good enough, Sean? Yeah, there you go. Pull it up. Pull it up. Remember, you got to kill it. What do you do with the weeds?
You put them with this.
No, I thought you chop it up.
Yeah. Ah.
Yeah, you forgot. Raspberries pushing growth. All right, then. 12 minutes. Good enough.
It's done.
You going to say happy gardening?
Happy gardening. I would.
All right, bye, everybody. Happy gardening.
You that's what you get.
Weed. Where'd you throw it now?
Right here.
All right, well, take it away from the cilantro.
I put it right on the concrete.
Okay, then. Good. That's a good place to put it. It dries it out. Happy gardening, everyone.